Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I want to talk to you a little bit about the ZT Blade Zmax. We got a new update finally for this phone on Metro PCS. You guys know the ZT Blade Zmax. You guys know I'm a big lover of ZTE, and you know, pretty much all their phones, the budget phones, lower end, a little bit left to be desired. But go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And comment down below if you still have your ZT Blade Max, is it still your daily driver, and you're going to go ahead and download this update, and what you think about the update. Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys that the ZT Blade Zmax has its final, well, I'm not going to say final, but it does have an update, guys. So go ahead and download that update. It's 78 megabytes. It's mainly a security patch, but definitely has some improvements in there and all that stuff. So hopefully ZT does due diligence to go ahead and make sure that this update came out really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and update it right here real quick, guys, and I will update you as far as what I see in the ZT Blade Zmax. This phone has been a heck of a phone, a heck of a trooper. It's lasted a long time for me, guys, so I'm super excited that the ZT Blade Zmax actually got an update this far into its life cycle, which is really amazing, guys. So let me know down in the comments below, do you still use this phone? This is actually Little John's daily driver right here, the ZT Blade Zmax. He loves this phone, as such as I did too as well. 6-inch display, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage. Got your dual cams on the back, fingerprint sensor. Of course, you guys know ZT Blade Zmax, ZTE, they hit it out of the park with this one back in the day. So obviously, you know, we're waiting on the ZT Blade Zmax 2 to come out, but this is a nice little treat for those of you that have the ZT Blade Zmax. So guys, download the software, have fun with it, yeah, let me get back. After the download is successful. It was installing all the applications and everything like that, but yes, basically, guys, this thing is still nice and fast and actually very usable still in 2018. Have a lot of applications installed on this phone right here, and it works flawlessly. Like I said, this is Little John's primary device, and he has this thing chock full of applications and the 2 gigabytes of RAM. Still doesn't disappoint in here, so that is amazing, guys. But yeah, if you have this phone, guys, go ahead and get that downloaded for you. Unfortunately, it was not Oreo. It was not the Oreo update that everybody was thinking it would be. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Never know. With ZTE pulling out aces out of their sleeves and pulling things off for you guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this update looks fairly clean, looks fairly nice. I've done a little bit of testing on it thus far, so it looks really nice. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Thank you guys for the view, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like. Peace out.